How to connect Lotus Lantern app to LED lights. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sync or connect your new LED lights into your Lotus Lantern application. First is you've got to make sure that you're using the latest version of Lotus Lantern application. This is just to avoid any possible crashes while using the or connecting a Lotus Lantern app into your LED lights. Update it if the update button is visible and you're good to go. Now open up the application. Now the other thing that you need to make sure is check if your LED lights supports Bluetooth. If it does, from your mobile device, make sure that your Bluetooth option here is turned on. Once you successfully turn it on, just connect your phone into your LED lights, and this is how you can tweak the settings of Lotus Lantern. At the top left, you should see three lines. Tap that, and then in here, choose Group Manage and tap on the plus icon. Name your new LED lights, so for example, garage. Click on set, and then once you've successfully connected them, if you tap on this light icon, it will automatically control your new LED lights. You can play along with these lights right here, and as well as adding music. And that's how you connect Lotus Lantern app to LED lights.